Good morning. My name is Wynne, and I'm President and CEO of the Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International, AUVSI, the world's largest organization dedicated to the advancement of unmanned systems. I want to thank Raman and SAE for their partnership in co-hosting this event with us. By combining SAE's expertise in setting consensus-based industry standards with AUVSI's experience cutting across domains and use cases, I'm certain this will be a fascinating 2 days of opportunities to learn from each other and to advance the business of automation. I'm going to introduce this morning's keynote speaker, Adam Bree, in just a moment, but I wanted to focus my brief remarks today on something Adam and I discussed last year, and something I have been hearing the entire unmanned systems community increasingly discuss, namely the importance of trustworthiness. While we were filming an episode of our Assuring Autonomy web series, Adam mentioned that his motivation in co-founding Skydio was the recognition that drones had enormous potential across numerous industrial verticals. The key to unlocking this value was trust. Trust by the user that devices would reliably do what they were programmed to do safely. Of course, we were having that conversation during the height of the COVID-19 crisis. Throughout the crisis, we saw growth in the use of unmanned systems across domains and the enormous value they provided in many use cases while limiting human-to-human contact. And as the use of these systems increases in our society, it's no surprise that trustworthiness is a top concern, not just for users, but also for regulators and the public in general. You may wonder, why am I bringing up policy and public perception issues to kick off a business-focused event? Simply stated, to successfully integrate unmanned systems in our society, we must secure the trust of regulatory authorities as well as the general public. So as unmanned systems and the people in attendance today progress along a continuum of development and deployment, our entire community must work together to address issues of safety, trust, and acceptance through a collaborative process. As our community fosters the growth and opportunity in coming years, system safety, public regulator trust, and the industry collaboration will combine to form a framework that will guide our efforts. This is a primary reason why members of the industry come together under the AUVSI flag to create industry cohesion, speak with one voice, and channel our collective creativity toward a transportation future that we are only now beginning to imagine. With that said, I trust you will take advantage of the opportunities this forum provides to discuss these topics, learn from each other, and network to form meaningful industry connections. Now I am pleased to introduce this morning's keynote speaker, Skydio co-founder and CEO, Adam Bree. As you all know, Skydio is a leading U.S. drone company in autonomous flight. Adam has 2 decades of experience with small UAS. He started as a national champion RC airplane aerobatics pilot. As a grad student at MIT, he conducted award-winning research that pioneered autonomous flight for drones, transferring much of what he learned as an RC pilot into the software that enables drones to fly themselves. After graduating from MIT, Adam co-founded Google X's Project Wynne. He has co-authored numerous technical papers and patents and was also recognized on MIT's TR35 list for young innovators. And he currently serves alongside me on the FAA's Drone Advisory Committee. We're glad to have Adam here today to tell us more about how Skydio and their customers are achieving success through safe and reliable technological innovation. First, we're going to see a video, and then we'll go to Adam.